Communication skill is indispensable skill to be successful in 21st century. This skill is required in every part of our life. With this, namaste to everyone. Myself Aparajita Sharma of class 8B and I am speaking in the favor of the topic which is technology intensified communication skill. So, technology plays a supportive role in enhancing communication as the advancement of technology has advanced the ways in which we can communicate easily in a better way. In many ways, technology has advanced the communication, like using some applications such as video calls, emails, and language learning software. Using video call application, we can create global communication and are easily able to communicate in a face-to-face manner with the people who are far away from us. Using the language learning software, we can learn other languages and can easily communicate in that. Okay, so this was all about personal matter. Now let's talk about, does technology has a positive impact on students? So the answer is yes, as technology also consists of videotapes and audio tape, which helps the students to understand, observe and imitate oral communication. This also increase their confidence level and encourage them to speak up in between large number of people also. Now just take an example. During this pandemic, no schools and colleges are able to conduct classes and teach the students in a face-to-face manner. But using these technologies, they are conducting online classes and are easily able to communicate with their students from their home only. There are many complaints about these technologies, though it is understandable that this would be confusing for many people. But this is not an adequate reason to blame technology for that. Rather, they should invest in learning how to use these technologies properly. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that technology is useful in every way. You just have to use it in a proper manner. That's all. Thank you.